In our last video, we tell about how the old or previous user of ECFMG made their MyIntealth account, but today we will taught how the new applicant will going and get the access of MyIntealth account. First, we have to create MyIntealth account as a new user. You have to go for MyIntealth applicant portal. After clicking this, you have to access MyIntealth, then click don't have MyIntealth account. Then enter your email here on which you want to make your ECFMG account, and then click on send verification code. After that, you will receive one verification code on your given email. You have to put there and click on verify code, and then your email address will be verified. After completing your verification of email, you have to go to a create applicant account. It will be visible to you. For the create account, you have to write your verified email, then your surname, your rest name, and the password you want to make. The password requirements, you guys know, there should be one uppercase character, lowercase character, numbers, and some symbols. And then what will be happen after that? You're putting all the stuff here. You have to click on click account. After that, you got the access for the MyIntealth applicant portal. The MyIntealth account attestation page appears, and click the term and conditions. And after showing the term and condition, you have to go and accept all the term and conditions, and then you have to go for the privacy note. After that, privacy note appears, and you have to go accept and go for the next. Understand? Then MyIntealth applicant portal homepage appear, in which you continue to establish your MyIntealth applicant account, in which you have to charge some amount. Again, there will be same thing happen with you. Okay, in all this stuff in MyIntealth applicant portal, you have to pay $100 for the new account.